Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are thinking about picking up a new Google Pixel, maybe you are eyeing the Pixel 9a or considering the regular Pixel 9 or wondering if it is worth going all out with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This cell phone carry Pixel name, but they are made for different type of users. What sets them apart beyond just their name? In this video, we are going to break it down in clear, easy to understand way. A full dive into the features, specifications, design, and everything else you need to know to make the right decision about this cell phone. Whether you are upgrading your cell phone, switching from another brand, or just Pixel curious, we got you covered. Let's start with the Pixel 9. This is the most accessible of all three. It is built for users who want essential Google Pixel experience without all the premium extra. The design is simple and clean with the signature Pixel look, rounded edges, matte finish, and that iconic camera bar on the back. It comes in a few understated yet stylish colors, including charcoal, porcelain, and a fresh bay blue, which gives it a subtle pop. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is powered by the same Google Tensor G3 chip that is found in most expensive models, which is a big deal. That means you are still getting fast, smart performance, AI features baked into everyday use, and some truly impressive software capability. It handles multitasking smoothly, runs clean Android software the way Google intended, and of course benefit from Pixel exclusive features like call screen, magic eraser, and real-time voice translator. Now when it comes to the display, the Pixel 9a features a 6.1-inch OLED panel. It is sharp, vibrant, and easy on the eyes, even outdoors. You get 120Hz refresh rate this time around, making everything from scrolling through social media to gaming feeling smoother than ever on the Pixel A series phone. The camera setup includes a main wide lens and ultra wide, and while it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the Pro model, it still punches well above its weight. Expect that classic Pixel computational photography magic, crisp, nice shots, detailed portraits, and realistic skin tones. Battery life on the Pixel A is strong too. Google promised all-day use due to software optimization. It really does deliver. You will also get fast charging with USB Type-C, though wireless charging isn't part of the packaging. Now, stepping up to the standard Pixel 9 brings some noticeable changes. This model is meant to offer a bit more polish without going all the way to Pro tier. This model shares the same Tensor G3 chip, so performance is equally fast and smart, but you also get slightly improved thermal efficiency and better sustained performance for gaming or video editing. The display is slightly larger at 6.2 inches, still OLED, but with higher brightness and more precise color tuning. It is comfortable size, not too big, not too small, and the refresh rate matches the 120Hz fluidity of 9a. What makes the 9a stand out is its build quality and premium feel. It uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both sides with an aluminum frame, giving it a more high-end finish compared to 9a. Camera-wise, you get a main and ultra-wide setup here too, but with a newer sensor and some software tuning that puts it a step above 9a. You will notice a better dynamic range and improved HDR, especially in bright outdoor conditions or complex lighting. While you don't get telephoto lens, the Super Res zoom works quite well for most casual photography. The Pixel 9 supports both wired and wireless charging, and it includes reverse wireless charging too, something missing from the Google Pixel 9. It also comes with better water and dust resistance, rated at IP68, so it is a bit more durable if you live an active lifestyle or just want a peace of mind. Color options for Pixel 9 include obsidian, porcelain, and a soft mint finish, each giving the device a different personality and depending on your taste. Now let's talk about the powerhouse, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is the one for users who want it all. The biggest screen, the most camera features, and best built and most immersive experience Google offers in a smartphone with a large 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display. You are getting smoother refresh rate transitions from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, which means better battery efficiency and truly fluid interaction. Watching content, playing games, editing photos, everything just look and feel more premium here. The display also wraps slightly at the edges, but not too much, striking a nice balance between immersive and practicality. The Pixel 9 Pro XL houses the same Tensor G3 processor, but it's paired with better heat management, ensuring sustained top performance even during longer game or camera sessions. The device also comes with 12 GB of RAM, making multitasking feel instantaneous, and the 128 GB storage variant is just the start. You can go higher depending on your region and carrier. Now let's go where the Pro XL truly separates itself. The camera system, you get a triple lens setup, wide, ultra wide, and a 5x telephoto lens with optical zoom, combined with the goggles computational photography, and this phone gives you studio level shots right out of the pocket, whether you are zooming in on a subject from far away, shooting ultra sharp portraits, or capturing low light landscapes. The results are consistently excellent. You also get exclusive camera software features like Pro controls for manual adjustment, video burst for better stabilization, and dynamic range in footage. Best selfie camera of the bunch. Creators, travelers, and photo enthusiasts. This is the Pixel for you. Like the Pixel 9, the Pixel XL supports wireless charging, reverse charging, and has IP68 water resistance, but also offer a slightly larger battery and a smaller battery optimization to handle that big screen and more advanced features. The color choices here are a bit more refined and sleek, including obsidian, porcelain, and platinum finish that give it a cool and premium feel in the hand. So if you want a reliable, fast smartphone with a great software and camera performance but don't need all the extra features, the Pixel 9 is a fantastic value and probably all you need. It is ideal for students, casual users, or anyone just looking for a no-nonsense phone that just works. If you like a bit more polish, better cameras, wireless charging, and premium materials without going all in, the Pixel 9 is the sweet spot. It balances power, performance, and design really well for most people. And if you want the best of the best display, cameras, speed, and design, especially if you take a lot of photos or just want the full Google experience, the Pixel 9 XL is your go-to. Whichever one you choose, you are getting clean Android software with years of updates, powerful AI features, and they focus on privacy and security baked in from the start. These cell phones deserve your attention. Thank you very much indeed.